Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to stop Temu text messages, and now let's dive right in. Now to stop text messages from Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening a Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when you land over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings button available for us. Tap on the settings button at the top right corner of the screen. And when you land over here, you can see the notifications option available for us just below the currency. Tap on notifications. And when you land over here guys, you can see a bunch of categories of notifications available for us. Now in order to turn off the SMS or text messages from Temu, you can see the above three options or categories of notification where it says promotion, orders, and chat messages. And if you read the below option or the below text, here it says push email off and in-app notifications with SMS, and the SMS is available for the order updates as well as the chat messages as well. Now in order to turn it off, tap on the edit button at the bottom right side of that particular notification. Let's tap on the edit button at the promotions first. And when this interface appears guys, you can see the SMS is here currently turned off for me because I had not entered my number. But in your case, if the SMS is turned on over here, turn off the toggle icon and it will be turned off like mine. Do the similar for order updates. You can see that currently the SMS is off for me, and do similar for yours. Turn off the SMS over order updates as well as the chat messages over here. Tap on the edit of the chat messages and again turn off the SMS over here, which is the second option. And with that being done guys, Temu will stop texting you messages on your phone. And guys, this is how to stop Temu text messages. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.